Hello, good morning. This is Architect Joshua. Medyo matagal din akong hindi nakapag-update sa inyo since medyo maraming nangyari for the past week dito sa ating personal na buhay. And today is babalik tayo para sa some discussion regarding the company pa rin, which is the SL Vidar Construction. So today, I'm gonna discuss one of our most frequently asked questions na aming natatanggap dito sa aming opisina tuwing meron tayong mga possible client na nagchat-chat or nagtatanong sa amin dito sa page. So ang tanong na to is, what services do you offer? So actually, ang sagot naman namin dyan is we are offering various kinds of services. Una, yung complete working drawings. Dito, nagbibigay kami ng working drawings that can be used as requirements sa bank loan, building permit, and other use dun sa complete working drawings. Ginagamit din kasi ito as bidding materials kung sakaling si client is maghahanap ng contractor to build yung kanilang bahay. So, pwede kaming gumawa ng plano and then maghahanap ngayon si owner na contractor para siya naman yung mag-build nung planong ginawa namin. And of course, yung plano na yon is pwede ring maging requirements sa bank. Since ang isa sa mga requirements and fundamental requirements ng bank is complete working drawings. Para makakuha ka ng house loan, kailangan magkaroon kayo ng complete working drawings which is consists of architectural, structural, plumbing, electrical, bill of materials or bill of quantities, and then the specifications. So yung pito na yon, yun yung kailangan ng bangko para ma-approvean kayo sa loan or para makompleto yung requirements, para ma-check ng bangko yung requirements kung kompleto na ba. So yun yung isa sa mga fundamental requirements nila. Aside from the bank, required din yung complete working drawings kung maglo-loan naman kayo sa SSS, Pag-ibig, and all other agencies. Di ko sure kung meron di bang PhilHealth. Ayun, Pag-ibig and SSS lang. So kung mag-apply kayo ng house loan for that is kailangan din siya ng complete working drawings. So yun yung mga binibigay naming service dito sa ating company, which is the number 1. Yun nga yung complete working drawings. And take note, permado to ng ating mga allied professionals, which is the electrical engineer, master plumber, structural engineer, and then of course the architect. Napunta tayo sa number 2 service na binibigay namin. Ang number 2 service na binibigay namin is yung design and build service. So sa design and build service, kami nagde-design ng structure. So magagamit nyo yung number 1 service namin, which is yung complete working drawings. At the same time, kami na rin yung magko-construct. Yun ang tinatawag naming design and build service. So kami yung magde-design, kami na rin magko-construct ng inyong ipapagawang bahay. So yun yung pangalawa naming service. Hindi lang naman to limited sa basal na bahay. Ginagawa rin namin to sa renovation, addition, subtraction ng bahay. So kung lahat ng construction services, maliit man o malaki, is ginagawa namin yan. Pero syempre, hindi naman namin kayang kunin lahat ng constructions, is limited din naman yung aming manpower. So minsan talagang nagkakaroon kami ng delay. Hindi delay as sa pag nagsimula ng construction, pero binibigyan namin ng time frame yung client kung kailan siya masisimulan or kailan siya possible na matapos. So next na service natin is the supervision services. So dito naman papasok yung ating mga architects or engineers dito sa ating firm. Pagka, for example, ang inabail lang ninyo is number 1 na service namin, which is the complete working drawings. And after that, nagpa-bidding kayo. So nakakuha kayo ng contractor na iba sa nag-design. So after that, medyo nag-iisip kayo na kung baka mamaya hindi nasunod yung plano upon construction. That's the time na minsan inaalok kami na baka pwedeng yung i-supervise yung construction since iba yung gagawa. So ang nangyayari is kami nag-supervise ng construction. So meron dalawang option dito. Merong daily basis, so babayaran nyo kami per day, and then the weekly basis, or babayaran nyo kami for a week. So para i-supervise yung construction kung natutupad pa ba yung aming dinesign. So yun yung pangatlo sa mga services namin. And then number 4 is yung labor only contract. Meron kasi kaming sa may design and build services, which is the straight contract. So straight contract kasi kami yung bibili ng materials, kami rin yung gagawa. So sa number 4 natin is kayo yung bibili ng materials and then kami lang yung gagawa. So amin yung labor cost. So in this type of service, kami yung magpapasahod ng mga tao, sa amin din manggagaling yung mga tao. Since medyo matagal na sa amin yung mga taong gagawa, medyo kabisado na din namin kung paano sila gumawa. So kakaroon kami ngayon ng lakas na loob na kumuha ng mga labor only contract na to. So at the same time, syempre isusupervise na rin namin siya. So matatrakan na natin yung number 3 service and then the number 4 service. Pero syempre ipapatong namin yun, yung price ng supervision do sa labor only contract. Yan, so meron tayong 6 na services. And syempre hindi lang naman dun tumitigil yung servisyo natin. Lahat ng kailangan natin in the field of architecture and construction, kung ano man yung naiisip nyo, is pwede naman natin pag-usapan. So aside from all those services that we are offering, you can also communicate us if anything na itatanong nyo or baka pwede natin pag-usapan para makuha nyo yung aming service, is open naman po kami. So yes, that's all po sa ating FAQ for today, and I hope to hear from you soon and see you on our next vlog.
Balik ka diyan from start to finish, walang iwanan. Ngarap mong bahay, kami ang daan, solid ang pundasyon. Tibay ng